All right, Wisco ripping back at you. Just had some snow. I'd say about 4 inches maybe. Got the general fired up. Got the door off for convenience. Got her warmed up. Got Mr. Buddy heated up a little bit. Let's do some plowing. Also want to say this Mr. Buddy, I can feel the heat. It's just staying right in the cab. It ain't horrible outside. I think it's like 20-25 degrees. No wind. So this thing is it's doing pretty good, but like I said, it's mainly just for plowing. I can't take it for a ride or anything like that. The pilot light will go off. So plowing's pretty much done. Maybe asking yourself, like, why do I have the door off? Why did I take the door off? Because in most cases I got my got a sled, got a trailer. The door just gets in the way, and plus when I have my 1.5 amp battery tender on here, I got to take the seat out. Yeah, I know I can get different leads for it, but take the seat out. It's just easier. Just from the setup that I have. Mr. Buddy, this worked great for plowing. Obviously the heat did stay in the cab just enough to keep your hand and the face warm. So I believe this Mr. Buddy, we just have to push the button one more time. She's still ripping. All you gotta do is turn it off. Got the on switch, push it off. There you go. Fans on. Might as well leave that on. Leave it running for a little bit. Alright, it's turned off. Good to go. That's Wisco ripping. Like and subscribe. Have a good winter. Go Pack Go. Upon further inspection, I let out the cable to the winch. I did not feel any fraying on my hands, but again, just wanted to let other people know. Maybe if you guys notice, if your cable is actually rubbing against this frame right here, that's what I noticed the second time plowing. But I don't have any fray marks or any wear marks on my cable. All stock, all from Polaris. Just what I noticed. Every once in a while, I'll get a tick. I'll get an extra noise in the cab, and I believe it's this cable rubbing on the frame. So, just the FYI for everybody. Just wanted to add at the end of the video that after inspecting everything and listening to my editing, is that the sound that the cable is making is only making the sound when I lift the plow up, and I believe it's the cable either rubbing on the frame like I showed, or it's actually the cable going into a groove on the winch itself. So when I'm lifting up the plow, the cable is going into the winch and then moving on the spool of cable itself, making that noise. So I don't think it's a big issue as of right now, but just wanted to let everybody know that that's what I'm experiencing.